I got a bunch of McGaughy's lifts in the shop today. Got this GMC. We did this McGaughy's kit set at 9. This 2020, it's got the small Duramax sitting in it. We did the amp power steps, and we're in process of doing the 7 to 10 McGaughy's on it. Awesome looking kit. And then come back here, we've got a couple other ones. These will be going on to that red truck I just showed you. This one's in process of being done. It's got a couple resi mounts to finish up in alignment. Did a full 9-inch suspension along with a dual exhaust, wheels and tires. Forces on this one. This 21 AT4 just got the 4-inch Cognito on it, and has another I think it's in the 20 model GMC 1500. This one's getting the 10-inch McGaughy's. Both of these are also getting the rear traction bars with the billet face plates, but those are still in powder coat right now. This Can-Am, we just did some control arms and coilover springs. Nothing too dramatic there. Here's what's the remaining pieces of this kit. It's in the middle of the install, so not completed yet. All right. Stay tuned for more.